Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to send crypto from your Coinbase wallet to Tangem. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now I'm on the Coinbase wallet. And then from here you're going to simply go to the home page and then click on transfer. Now you will get hit with multiple options and you're going to click on send crypto. Now from here, once you go to the send crypto, you're going to see this where you're going to paste the address of your crypto address. Now to do so, you're going to go back and then you're going to go to your Tangem wallet. And then from here, you're going to scan your Tangem or order a new one. And once you do that, there will be an option where it says to receive cryptocurrency, and you're simply going to copy that address. And then from here, you go back to the other app for Coinbase, you're going to paste the address, and then from here, you're going to click continue. Now it's going to ask you for any assets that you might like to send. So for example, Solana. And then you're going to decide how much Solana you will send them and write the amount. And then once you do that, it will send directly. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.